In this video, we will show you how to create a user-defined layout of multiple viewers into one render area. Add an image load module to your workspace and connect it to an Ortho Reformat 3 module and 3 View 2D modules as seen in the video. Load the file mri_head.tif from MeVisLab demo data. If you open your 3 viewers, you can see the same image shown from 3 different directions. The module SoViewportRegion renders a subgraph into a specified viewport region. It can be compared with the picture-in-picture function of modern TVs. Add 3 SoViewportRegion modules to your workspace and connect them to your 3 View 2D modules. Press space key to show the hidden outputs. We want to render our 3 viewers into a SoRender area module. Connect it to your 3 SoViewportRegion modules. If you now open the panel of the SoRender area module, you can see all 3 views above each other. This happens because all 3 SoViewportRegion modules render the input view to the same position in the SoRender area. Open the panel of the SoViewportRegion modules and set the left position to left border 0, right border 0.5. Set lower border to 1 and upper border to 0. The result can be seen immediately. Also change the other 2 SoViewportRegion modules as shown in the video. The SoViewportRegion module allows to define the X and Y position and the width and height of the image in the SoRender area module. Values can be in pixels or as fractions from 0 to 1. Own layouts can be created by using multiple SoViewportRegion modules. You can also add 3D viewers to your layout. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.